My name is Chad Michael. I'm a damage expert consultant. Are you just taking the insurance adjuster's word for it? When they write an estimate, do you just do the job for whatever they say that you should do the job for? Are you sending it to a public adjuster through the appraisal process, an attorney? Or are you exhausting all options that are available to you already at the contractor level? Are you performing complete property damage inspections? Are you presenting your findings line item by line item to the insurance company? Like this job when the insurance company just wanted to pay for a simple repair for this condo complex. Florida building codes requires a full replacement. Or this job, 4 total layers of shingles on this roof, one of which being slate. The insurance company just wanted to replace the top layer. They just wanted to pay $70,000. But our assessment found that all layers needed to be replaced, including the water-soaked decking underneath. Our version of the estimate, $444,000. Hurricane Irma caused extensive damage all along the Florida coast. This job, $700,000. And this job here, Miami Beach, full replacement value of all the damages here, $600,000. When the insurance company fights you, who do they send? They send adjusters and engineers and building consultants. And what do? They document the damages. They present their findings and detailed professional reports. You need to beat them at their own game. Strategy, hard work, diligence. That's the key that opens up these insurance claims and shortens up the time frame. Kansas. It's been a long, hard season. I know how it is. Sometimes it can feel backbreaking. Orlando, Florida. 10 a.m., morning after Hurricane Irma. Curfew still on the streets. Because of the roof damage to this building, 6 floors of this hotel suffered extensive water damage. So whether it's metal, flat roof, slate, or shingle roofing, all building codes must be followed, documented, and presented to the insurance company for full success. Like this hotel in Corpus Christi, Texas. Hurricane Harvey's been here, and he was not happy. Extensive water damage to the interior of this hotel because of wind, and now every single piece of this building has to be documented and presented to the insurance company in a line item by line item professional estimate. In North Dallas, Texas, the insurance company just wanted to pay $69,000 for a simple parapet wall repair, but it's covered with hail damage. I think it needs a full replacement. Mod bit, now TPO. The synthetic composite slate shingles on the mansards, now standing seam metal. Full replacement, approved. $472,000. $69,000 doesn't even begin to cut it. Strategy, consistency, diligence, dedication, and most importantly of all, putting in the hard work that's required to win in this game.